Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the BlitzWolf AR182 vacuum cleaner. This is a rechargeable battery powered vacuum cleaner which comes with a very big battery pack. It has 6 cells inside and it has 22.2 nominal voltage, so pretty big battery, so it should have a lot of power. So let's see what accessories we have here. This is the tool that can hang the vacuum cleaner on the wall. You can screw mount or use the provided 3M double-sided tape. It also comes with this warranty card or something like that. Then it has a rather big user manual which is printed in several languages, and also English is included, which is a really good thing. This is the charger. And it has a concentrated nozzle for tight fit places. And it has an aluminium extension tube, which is really light, nice, really good build quality. And now we are going to dive in the box deeper. So there's the vacuum, lots of foam here to protect all the contents. This came also in 2 cardboard boxes, really good. So we have a brush to clean the vacuum. It also has this cutting head here to remove hair if it gets tangled in the brush. Then we have this small brush, round brush, and it has a flexible neck. And we have the main brush here. It has hidden contacts there, so it has a power and a motor here which drive this brush. It has this part here which improves the cleaning effect, and also has rollers, so this will slide easy on the floor. And we also get this storage adapter for keeping all the tubes straight when you are not using them. And there's also a screw there, probably it should fix somewhere, so we are going to check that. And of course the vacuum itself, which looks like this, really nice design. It has a variable speed adjustment here. This is the power on off switch. This is to remove the container, and here is the clip to put the tubes or the adapters, and you can see the contacts there for connecting power adapters, while the battery will clip here. And now I'm going to install the battery for a quick test. The battery will slide in and clip like that, and let's turn this on. And you can actually hear that this is very quiet, and it has a soft start function. It has an electronic motor control which improves things a lot. I don't know if the motor is brushless or not, but this is very silent. And also let's try the powerful mode, and I'm going to start it again. And now I'm going to change the working mode, and now it's the high power mode. And it makes a lot of suction power, and you can also see the battery level here. And when you change the working mode, it also has an LED here to show you that now you are working in another suction mode. So the battery will show you the level and working mode. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this review. I might add a second video later with this in action, but I need to get some dirt to test it. We'll see about that. So this was the BlitzWolf, and it's a really nice vacuum for the price that you pay for it and for all these accessories that you get. And this is sometimes also available from an European warehouse, so you can get this in something like 5 days delivered at home, which is really nice, and it's tax free. So until my next video, see you and bye bye.
Bye bye.